Hi everyone, this is your Sifu at Tree Nature and Tina Dragon Taoism channel. Today I'm going to teach you one thing that you can make changes starting today and improve your luck. Because a lot of people are actually having broken luck pattern in their life because of how they speak and communicate. When we speak and communicate with other people, we are outputting our chi from the inside, the energy, the soul energy, which teaches our chi how the cycle works. So, in a way, if you do not communicate properly, your chi flow is going to be taught badly and it's going to be broken. And when you're doing this all the time, it's going to teach your own Yun Sun, the spiritual planetary body, to do the same to you. And it's going to be so broken. So whatever good luck's coming down to you, it's not going to be there because the middle is broken. So what's the deal? Well, when we speak, make sure you know how to start and end a conversation. Okay? Now, think about it this way. If you're using a bottle of cream and you have to squeeze the cream out, okay? A lot of people have issue closing the conversation, like they use the cream and then they don't put the cap back on and then they just put it there. What happened? Well, eventually the cream gets dried up and maybe even dirty or whatever, right? Next time you use it, you take it and squeeze, all that dirty stuff or dried cream is on the hand, because you didn't close the cap, right? Some people, they don't open the cap and expect to squeeze it and it's not coming out. Opening and closing a conversation is just like that. In our dictionary, we call that the art of virtue. Okay, virtue is how to give back to the source where you take from. In a conversation, if we're talking to someone, especially to your uppers, like your boss, your master, your teacher, right? They give, they talk. We talk back, we give back, right? If we don't give back properly, that communication is broken. Number one, when we end a conversation, don't just walk away. Your uppers said something, and maybe they say, so that's it, or I'm going away for a bit. They said they will be leaving, right? You don't just and then walk away. That is so bad. And it seemed to online or text or internet conversation, okay? Never just end it like that. Give people an acknowledgement, right? Give them an acknowledgement. They say, I'm going to eat dinner now. You tell them, have a good dinner. Enjoy your dinner, right? You say something so that they know, okay, I'm going now. And then they will say, okay, bye-bye. And then you go bye-bye, okay? So remember to close your conversation. My disciples, some of them have this issue. When I'm talking to them and I'm done saying something, they disappear. Where the heck did you go? They just maybe throw an emoji somewhere hidden to reply to the message. And the thing is, I don't even see who output that, who posted that emoji. I can't even see it. There's no name beside it, right? No one knows it's you. So basically the disciple just disappear. After I told them something, they got their answer and they left. So how does it translate to in real life? Think about it this way. You go to let's say a restaurant and you order some food and you're waiting in the line to get your food, right? The person gave you the food, put it on table. You didn't say anything. You just walk away. How rude is that, right? You say thank you. Come on. You should know that. Your mom should have taught you, right, when you're young. Thank you. Okay, then you go. When you're talking online, same thing. Okay? If I am talking to you and you're the disciple, right? I say something, at the end, you don't just walk away. You say something, thanks for the teaching or whatever, right? You say something so that I know you got the message. And then I will say bye-bye, right? Okay? So remember, close that conversation on a time. If you're at work and your boss talking to you, he gave you some instruction, right? You don't just walk away. You tell the boss, okay, I got it, right? There you go. You have to tell the boss, I got it, so that he is not feeling like you just like walk away like that, right? Remember, close that conversation. Now, when we begin the conversation, okay, you always have to make connection before you tell your story. So it's like you don't just see your teacher in school, right? And then you just like, oh, what's the answer to this question? That's so rude. Good morning, Mr. Da, 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 or Professor da, 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 da. I have a question for you today. Can you please tell me how to answer this? That's how you start a conversation. It seems to be common sense in the past when I was in school, like everyone was doing the same thing. But in today's society, people get so rude. You know, they just jam into you and like, especially online chat, they just jam in and then they go straight to the point and give you the question. That's rude. Okay? In my lineage, everyone comes online and when they see me and want to ask a question, they always start with this. Sajon, Gitang. Right? They say, Sajon, like me, the master, auspicious, you know, it's like a greeting. You greet first. And then I'm like, hi. And then they go, oh, I have a question today. You see, that's how you ask questions. I don't know, is it parenting issue in this modern days or whatever, but people seem to lack the sense of like how to talk politely and respectfully. What happens if you keep doing that? Like you don't greet people before you start. Well, it's like you're trying to talk on the phone to someone, but you don't wait until the phone is connected and the other person is listening. So when you're talking, a lot of the things are kind of not heard. In my hobby, ham radio, we have to call the person first, okay? So you have to say their call sign a few times, and like including your call sign, and then they say your call sign, and then their call sign. And so you know, okay, we're listening to each other's now, then we talk, right? That's how you talk. But somehow in today's society, people forgot about it, and it becomes so rude because, you know, they just don't begin a conversation properly. They don't establish connection before they transfer, right? It's like you don't even know if your computer is connected to the internet and you start uploading a file. It's not going to work. It might work some days, it might not work another day, right? You make sure connection is there before you start uploading, right? Common sense. But if you start looking at these things and do better at it, you will see your luck will flow much better. I'll see you in the next one.